Hindi porket tahimik ang Diyos, hindi siya kumikilos at hindi siya nakikinig sa atin. Correct? Let me prove that to you. So I keep on searching for proof na talagang magkaiba yung crying sa complaining. Because think positive naman ba? Ayoko naman sisihin talaga ang mga Israel because sinisisi ko na sila for many years. Na wala naman silang ginawa kundi mag-complain. Right? And in fact, I've preached this message countless times. And I used to believe that way. Na nung naka-encounter sila ng Red Sea at hindi sila makalabas, sinisi na kagad nila sa Moses. But I've never read that before. That they cried out to the Lord and they called on the Lord first before they complain. So I look for cross-reference and biblical references and I found Joshua chapter 24 verse 7. Look at this. Sabi ni Joshua 24 verse 7, but they cried out to the Lord for help. There you go. They cried out. Humingi sila ng tulong sa Panginoon. And God put darkness between you and the Egyptians, and He brought the sea over them and covered them. You saw with your own eyes what I did to the Egyptians. Then you live in the wilderness for a long time. Isn't this crazy? Many years later, panahon na ni Joshua. Sinisermo na niya ang nation of Israel. Naalala niyo ba? Nung tumawag kayo sa Panginoon, bago kayo tumawid ng Red Sea, na ang Diyos ay naglagay ng darkness between you and the Egyptians? Hindi nyo na-gets, ha? Years later, si Joshua, sabi niya, guys, nakakalimutan nyo ba? Nung nananalangin kayo sa Panginoon, nung takot na takot kayo sa mga Egyptian, and you cried out for help, the Lord put darkness between you and the Egyptians. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Ganito na lang ba? Third time is a charm. Sabi ni Joshua, naalala niyo pa po ba many years ago, dumaing kayo sa Panginoon, humingi kayo ng tulong, ibig sabihin hindi lang sila nag-complain, humingi talaga sila ng tulong, and the Lord put darkness, separation, dark clouds, between you and the Egyptians. Ibig sabihin, sumagot yung Diyos. Hindi lang nila naantay. Amen. So ang Diyos nakakarinig siya. Ang Diyos sumasagot siya sa panalangin. When they cried out for help, narinig sila ng Panginoon. Pero hindi sila makapag-antay ng sagot. Lord, 29 na ako, is too late. Kasalanan mo to, kaya ako ganito. Kasalanan mo to, kaya ako ganito. Niloko kasi niya ako, 11 years din kami. How quickly? Amen? So God answers prayers. Nehemiah 9:9, you saw the suffering of your ancestors in Egypt and you heard their cry at the Red Sea. Come on now. So narinig sila ng Panginoon. Nung tumawag sila, hindi nabingi ang ating Panginoon.